Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you are looking in the background, that is the sweet Tinkercad motorcycle I created a while back. I've got a version 1 and then I've got an upgrade, and today we're going to add a new upgrade where we can actually steer the wheel. So my friends, let's get cracking. Of course, friends, if you have not completed the first one, I will have a card up above that you can click so you can get to lesson 1 and lesson 2 if maybe you did the first and not the second. If you look closely here, you'll notice that I've got a copy. That's because I never want to break my original one. It's fun to have extra ones as I make these. So we're going to use a sweet technique where we can rotate all these pieces along the correct axis using a special handle. To do this, the first thing I want to do is I want to hide all the parts back here. So let's just get rid of these by hitting the hide button and the hide button so that all we've got left are the parts of the steering wheel that we would want to be able to turn. Now, if you're rotating a steering wheel, we want to rotate it through this axis right here. So watch how we're going to do this. If we click work plane and we set it on that spot, then we can bring out a cylinder that will be able to push through this. I'm going to hold down shift and make the cylinder really small. I'm going to go to size 2 millimeters. And then I'm going to zoom into it with the sweet fit view. Let's use fit view so we can see the entire thing. And let's use the handle to push it through so it pokes down into the tire. Real quickly, let's align this to the handlebar by shift clicking the handlebar. Notice it says 2 shapes. And then we're going to do a line. And we want to align this part to the handlebar. So make sure you click the handlebar, and we want it in the front. I'm going to click that again because it clicked away. 2 shapes again. We're going to hit a line. I'm on the handlebar, and I want front and I want middle. So that way it is centered on our bike. If we take a look at this from the side, you can see that is pretty sweet how it intersects exactly where we want. And now up here we're going to put our awesome handle. So use the work plane and make sure you're on the flat spot of that cylinder to raise the work plane way up. Simply go down and find the tube, bring it out to this area, and then we're going to use the size 30 for the radius. We're going to use 1 for the wall thickness, and then I'll look at it from a corner so you can see this better. We are going to make it 0.1 millimeters thick, so it is super skinny. You can pick whatever color you want. I'm going to make mine white so it kind of blends. And then we're going to align these. So once again, click on the orange piece, hold down shift, click on your ring that you just made. This will be the rotation ring. And then we are going to align to the orange piece. Make sure you click the orange piece, and then I'm going to scroll in so I can see these better. We want middle, and we want middle, so that ring is exactly surrounding your cool little orange post. With that in place, we can hit delete. And then we want to grab this entire piece that we just built, and we want to group it. Now, of course, once you group it, you need to make sure your multicolor stays on. Mine did. If you lose it, that's how you get it back. Now let's quickly do that home view, and let's hit the light bulb to bring everything back. Put the work plane back down on the ground. Alrighty, friends, so with that done, I want to make sure you understand, if you just click on your front end, it comes apart. That is not what we just built. I'm going to do Control Z to put that back, and let me show you what we did build. If you click work plane and click on that new circle that you made, now when you hold this, it'll spin around that axis that we just created that lets you actually make your motorcycle look like it's turning. I'm going to put the work plane back down to the ground, and then if you've seen my earlier videos, make sure you also remember that because you've got this cool angle, now you can grab your whole project, and we did that trick where we used Pixlr to get the exact angle that we wanted, and we could take a picture with our vehicle against a white background, and then in Pixlr we could cut that out and we could put it on any sweet background from any angle we wanted. Alrighty, friends, so there you have it. Super simple steps to make it so that you could actually turn your steering wheel on a motorcycle or even that tricycle project that I made a long time ago. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.